Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the 502 bad gateway error when browsing the internet. Let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and click on the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Next, click on Privacy and Security, and then select Clear Browsing Data. In the Basic tab, make sure to select Browsing History, Cookies and Other Site Data, and Cached Images and Files. Set the time range to All Time, and click Clear Data. Now go back to Settings and scroll to the bottom. Click on About Chrome, About Edge, or About Brave, depending on what you're using. Your browser will automatically check for updates and install them if needed. If the issue's still there, open the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Type the following commands one by one: ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter. netsh winsock reset. Press Enter. After that, restart your computer. That's it. After doing all these steps, the 502 bad gateway error should be gone. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.